Nah, I was just dancing. Don't do me. Do a Willie, boss. Do a Willie. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. You so close. Do it. That nigga's a fool. Let me go cut this people hair, man. Exactly who you talking about. What's going on with you, gang? Dabo Wing. I didn't even know you was in here. Oh, cause I gotta get footage for my YouTube, man. Gotta get it all. Gotta get it all. Recording any and everything. Any and everything. How you doing?
Fucking Mexico, bro.
Are you going to Rosarito?
Yeah, bro.
I was supposed to be going to that. I'm hella mad. I was hella supposed to be going to that. I know it is. I know it is. I bought my ticket and everything.
They got some shit for free.
In May? I might have to see what's up with that. That's right around the corner too. Awesome. I'm gonna have to go. But what cut was you getting?
So
Did you finna stick with the waves, or you finna grow that and sticking with the waves?
I didn't want to cut it like too low, like low enough. You feel me? And then I want a little design in the back.
A little design in the back. What do you want like a 1.5? Look, I do the 1.5, and if you want to go, if you want to go lower than that, then I'll do that. You can take your glasses off as well too. And do you know what?
Can you hit my eyebrows too, like a little slit in there?
Little slit. You don't want me to shape them up or nothing, just a little slit.
You can shape them up too.
All right. And then that design. Did you want a specific design, or you want me to do my Dougie back there?
Shit, I low-key wanted like a little heart back there.
You want the little heart?
Yeah, like
With also me doing my little Dougie at the same time? That's good. I got it.
I think I'm done with her. If I leave her, she gon' die. But bitch, you done with okay.
You niggas acting funny, now the barber on the beat. Pulling up to your crib, what's up? I'm on your streets, come outside, little nigga, let me show you what it is. Put the clip to his head, little nigga, take a seat. I'll line any nigga up, fade you little niggas up. Like always, first thing you want to do to start any cut is to go in with your comb and to make sure you lift all the hairs off the scalp of the head, so when you come in with your one guard, everything can glide through with ease.
Hold on, stop playing. Niggas low-key hating, but they just don't wanna say it. This 40 locked and loaded, I won't hesitate to spray it. I know you heard about it, so you knowin' how it's lit. My niggas really active, they don't really give a fuck. They love shooting shit, but they love to knuckle up. But when shit getting...
Now coming in with your one guard, you wanna make sure you start at the crown of the head and to go with the grain.
I don't give a fuck what you talking about. This hammer got to knocking, bullets rocked him, had to chalk him out.
You want to make sure you glide the clippers with the pattern of his waves, because if you go in any direction his waves are not going, you will cut too much off and it will look like you have a bald spot. And with that being said, always take your time, do not rush anything, because at the end you always want to make sure your client leaves your chair satisfied.
Got a Mac with a 30-round mop stick. We ain't running out, bitch, we bought them extra Glock clips. You heard me say this shit before, little nigga, you is not sick. You is not sick, if you is, go get some medicine. My niggas getting money, try to stop it, then they dead and shit. Send me auto Glock, hit the switch, it sound like Eminem. You see them big blues? Oh yeah, nigga, we spinning them.
I don't shoot to kill, but see my cousin.
Before starting any K, you want to always make sure you brush the hairs down. Now coming in with my Andes liner, I'm going to do my bald guideline. Take your time with knocking down all the bulk. You want to make sure you bald everything out, so at the end you can have a nice clean cut.
This my shooter's headshot, and I ain't talking to that hoe, she just wanna bet.
Now I'm coming in with my wall clippers. I'm finna come in with my lever open, going up about a full inch. And once I get to the top of that inch, I'm going to use a flick out motion, so when I come in with my next guard, everything can blend in with ease.
My niggas love to fight when speaking on impacts and spending.
Slightly closing my lever, I'm going to attack that ball guideline. And as I go down, I slightly close my lever until it's fully closed and that ball guideline has fully disappeared.
Niggas low-key hating, but they just don't wanna say it. This 40 locked and loaded, I won't hesitate to spray it. I know you heard about it, so you know how it's lit.
And now I'm coming in with my one guard open. I'm gonna go up about a full inch. Once I get to the top of that inch, I'm gonna use a flick out motion, so when I come in with the next guard, everything can blend in with ease. Now with my one guard closed, I'm gonna attack that middle line, so when I come in with my zero, everything can blend in with ease. Make sure you constantly brush the hair so you can feed them into the teeth of the blade.
On my hate, the shoes on my feet, probably.
Now coming in with my zero guard, lever open, I'm gonna flick at this middle line, and with this process, I'm gonna open and close my lever until this line has fully disappeared.
Friend, keep talking crazy, I'll send some shots out that Mac 10. Think twice before you step to me, nigga.
Now coming in with my lever open, no guard, I'm gonna flick out the middle line and knock down all the dark areas that the zero guard missed.
A week, damn, I almost dropped. You feeling froggy jump, little nigga?
Now coming in with my 1.5, I'm gonna knock down all the bulk at the top of the blend.
Cash for some grass, he a fucking fool. If you want it back, you gotta fight me, man, it's up to you. Nigga, bitch, I can put my trust in you. You ain't staying here.
Now coming in with my one guard, I'm gonna do a little detail work and knock down all the bulk that I missed from the previous steps.
You niggas talking tough, swear to God I put some slugs in you. Ran to your mama and your auntie, and I fuck them too. They gave me the scoop on your dumb ass, they don't fuck with you. And your fat ass cousin, I like that.
Now coming to his side taper, it's the exact same steps to the back with less room to work, so it should be much easier and faster. So I'ma just speed this up for you.
Doorway, I got some nut up on her shoes. You can try to step to me, I'll throw your ass off this roof. Hit you with a now your face black and blue. Had to hijack your granny, kicked her ass out the coop. Fuck, I had to turn around and bring that bitch back her prunes.
Yeah, nigga, you know what it is, had to bring her prunes back. Feel me? And your fat ass cousin that's huggable. She gave me that neck. That neck was huggable.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah, bitch.
What I'm doing here is just knocking down all the bulk behind the ear, so when you come in with your liners, you can have a crispy line. Y'all already know what we finna do over here, so I'ma just speed this up for you.
Look, you been fighting with your man, got you thinking that I'm Mr. Perfect, you wanna fuck me, just stop acting nervous. I wanna see you like a ballet circus. Girl, you say you want a pleasure while I'm at your service. You been fighting with your man, got you thinking that I'm Mr. Perfect, you wanna fuck me, just stop acting nervous. I wanna see you like a ballet circus. Girl, you say you want a pleasure while I'm at your service. If you wanna hand your bitch to me, just say that. Simple for real though. No, she thought it with no hands, I need a skill, ho. I can tell you getting mad, so what's the deal, bro? I can tell you getting mad, so what's the deal, bro? Clutch on your bitch, all you want, she gon' want me. She got a thing for a nigga with some gold teeth. Gang in this bitch, boo snatcher, she gon' want me. I just beat it, got her messing up my white tee. You keep tripping, player points is what you might need. Catch him slipping if he speaking, that's a night thing. We don't play the bullshit, it ain't a nice thing. Over bitches, do you think it's what your life be? Lay with it, play with it. I'ma make it rain with it, and stay in it. She gon' wanna day with it, day with it. She gon' wanna day with it, day with it. Girl, you know it's my pleasure to please you. I can't help but tease you. I won't fucking leave you. The acting is shit. Do you missing an equal? Stop playing, believe you. Girl, you know it's my pleasure to please you. I can't help but tease you. I won't fucking leave you. The acting is shit. Do you missing an equal? Stop playing, believe you. You been fighting with your man. got you thinking that I'm Mr. Perfect. You wanna fuck me, just stop acting nervous. I wanna see you at Bella Circus. Girl, you say you want a pleasure when I'm at your service. Fighting with your man, got you thinking that I'm Mr. Perfect. You wanna fuck me, just stop acting nervous. I wanna see you at Bella Circus. Girl, you say you want a pleasure when I'm at your service. Yeah, you been fighting with your man, got you thinking that I'm Mr. Perfect. You wanna fuck me, just stop acting nervous. I wanna see you at Bella Circus. Girl, you say you want a pleasure when I'm at your service.
Can we just get gone for a minute? I just really wanna slide where you live. Can we just get gone for a minute?
Really not too much to explain on how to do a line. All you gotta do is make sure it's straight, not to push it back, stay along the edge and do your Dougie.
This nigga out, baby, yeah, that's that. I can have you fuck with lanes, baby, yeah, and that's fat. How you say you love you more than me, baby, and that's fat. I'm the nigga that she wanted from me, she run laps. Don't ride like a runaway, another day. Take a nigga off the plane with my baby. And they playing with your heart and they blowing like Pompeii. Man, they playing with your heart and we blowing like Pompeii. Just tell me what you doing to me, my body is feeling on you.
Same as the other side, visualize and attack. Because if you hesitate, you will fail and there's no coming back.
I just really wanna slide where you live. Can we just get gone for a minute? I just really wanna slide where you live. Ay, she say she do tricks, I'ma.
And coming in with my one guard, lever close, I'ma knock down all the both on the edge of his hairline. So when I come in with my liners, we can have a crispy line up.
Yeah, when the birds get the turping.
There's not a lot of explaining on doing the front line. Make sure you take your time, don't rush this process. You want to make sure his line is as straight as possible. And most importantly, visualize and attack.
To the cheese, gone now, making love to the beat. Can we just get gone for a minute? I just really wanna slide where you live. Can we just get gone for a minute?
When using enhancements, you never want to use too much. You want to make sure the line is as natural as possible. Now coming back in with my one guard, lever open, I'm going to be doing a little bit of detail work to knock down any bulk at the top of the head that I missed in the beginning of the cut. This is why I always say take your time and make sure you go over everything multiple times, because as you can see, there is still bulk being cut.
You wanna get high?
Hell yeah, I'm tryna get high. Roll that shit up, please. Pull it up. You niggas acting funny, now the barber on the beat. Pulling up to your crib, what's up? I'm on your streets, come outside, little nigga, let me show you what it is.
Now coming in with my Babylon's liners, I'ma knock down all the frizzy hairs that's sticking out the top of his head.
Mo got the top of here, light everybody up. We smoking hella woods, now I'm in this bitch high as fuck. Lil' baby bringing Henny, now I'm having Henny drinks. We mixing with Patron, you know I'm tryna have some fantasies. Fuck her so good, I had to bring it to reality. Blew her back out, I'ma give a bitch fatalities. Beat the pussy up, she sucking dick all up on her knees. Freaky little bitch.
When using a razor, you always want to make sure you stretch your skin out as much as possible so you do not nick the climb.
Loving on no bitch, you know I'm fucking and I'm gone. Can't love no bitch, I'm just tryna get rich. FAB for a bow, you know it's always fuck a bitch. She draws, we dog her, man, she really with the shit. Slide through a little baby, I could put you on the strip. Swerving through the traffic, man, I'm feeling like I'm Paul Walker. Pulling up to your bitch house, we gon' fuck harder. Swimming through the pussy, doing laps like I'm David Palmer. Pop a perk, see aliens, man, we need to call the plumbers. Now I'm at your bitch house, I rock out with my dick.
After every cut, you always want to make sure you clear your line of all hairs that's in the back of the neck or that's behind the ear.
Hey, Boogie got his hoodie on. I'm going so hard, let me tell y'all what it is. We bout to act the fool up in here. Mo got your bitch, I said Felicia sucking dick. Put them little guns down, my niggas got the sticks. Lil' baby got the wop, I made it drip drop. Fucked her on the couch in my Gucci flip flops. Can't fuck with you lames, cause you niggas is.
Now with my electric shaver, I'ma knock down any frizzy hairs that's on the top of the head that the liners missed before.
Niggas out here snitching and y'all looking like some damn rats. Y'all hella fucking lame and y'all niggas need to back. Chopper with the cheese, now she looking like a lab rat.
mandatory to spray your clients down with that holy water after every cut, aka aftershave. And that's the cut. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, turn the notification bell on. I hope to see y'all in the next video. And like always, stay blessed.